to try it again, but next to the red truck. And we're pushing the snow back even more here. It's up over the wall. Here we go again. We lower the blade and we start off. Take half a cut. Definitely the snow is getting higher and higher. We're going to have to melt. The temperature has to go above 32, which it hasn't. If it doesn't, then I'm going to have to get a little tiny blade there, the one that I got from top. Okay, we're up to at least 3.5, 4 feet from a blade. We're getting close to the red truck, so I got to be careful here. Okay, now that we've finished doing the other part here, we'll be changing the blade. Hopefully I can get this on video. Here. The blade is now cornered and we're heading down towards the road. And here we go. We're going down towards the road. Making a swath on the right so I can push it more to the left because the snow is not as frozen on the left as it is on the right. As you can see, we're doing a pretty good job, but there's a lot being pushed and it's a little heavy. When we get down to the bottom, I will stop and come back and do another swath the same way. See what happens. So this will give you an idea of how much snow we're getting right now. And I'm going to stop and turn off. Alright, I just made the first swath. I'm lowering the blade right now. And we're going to cut half now. And going up second gear. And we push more and more to the left. As you can see, from the top up here, what it's like. Pushing about 3 inches of snow as it piles to the left. And we're making our way down towards the street. I gotta be careful. Cars, buses, well, this being Martin Luther King Day, it doesn't matter, but normally gotta watch out for cars and trucks that come by here pretty fast. And I'm gonna shut the machine off when we get down to the bottom. Okay, boys, you can see where I just finished. I could not stop the tractor and take video at the same time. You can see how high the snow is. It's almost up above the mailbox and the newspaper, and it's not melting. Okay, we're going to make one more swath. This time I'm lowering the blade, and I put it in first gear. And I'm going to be bringing it closer to the edge now. I already made 3 swaths going down. So this will enlarge it, but at the same time it's building up the bank. So where the snow's not melting, I'm going to have to push it over, even more so, over the hardtop and into the grass. So you can see the strain that's going on right now, even in first gear, especially when we reach this point down here. Yeah, we got about, we're pushing about 2.5 feet of snow right about now. And I'm doing half a swath. The next swath I'm going to have to go to the deep end. Because it's very narrow. In this final swath here that I'm going to make, I'm in first gear low, the blade is up. Think of the steps over here in front of your house. I'm going through a high point right now. I'm going to lower the blade just a little bit, not too much, so I can push it over and create like a step effect. This way, when I go through again, any additional snow that I might get will be over, okay? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm creating just a half effect because I've got the room here. I don't have the room down at the bottom because it forms a bottleneck due to the stones that are down there. So see it when I come back up. As I push along here. And I'm going to stop right here and back up.
We've already just completed the driveway and I'm now walking down. You can see the banks to the left and the bank to the right, and that because it's above 32 degrees, the driveway is beginning to melt where the sun has been hitting that part of the hardtop. And as we get down lower, you can see how it narrows because there's not enough room, especially at the neck of the driveway at the street. That's because there's the stone wall. But for the most part, you can see how well the driveway is clean. We'll give it an additional cut tomorrow after the evening and in the morning when the sun comes up. But you can see as we get down here, the banked step effect that I was explaining before, allowing me to move the snow over if we get any more additional snow. And the snow as we reach down here is pretty high. In fact, it's probably up to 4 feet, 5 feet, 4.5, 5 feet tall due to the blade. And the mailbox and the newspaper box is also a good 4 or 5 feet up. So it gives you an idea of what it's like at the base of the driveway, how much snow we had to push to one side. This is definitely the steepest point here. You can see the steps effect on the snow. This is the left side as we walk up the driveway and see the steps affect the blades. And this represents the upper part, and you can see that the blade has caused maybe 4 or 5 feet drift. Look, and as we swing around the truck, you can see how the 2 or 3 inches of snow that we've had have been pushed aside, and as we're making our way to the backyard, we have about a 3.5 foot drift. And that's the end. Have a good one.